Strategic lifeline. Why the survival of Ayatollah Khamenei's regime is critical for Putin's Russia. Reported from Tehran, Moscow. Amidst fluctuating geopolitical tensions and renewed rhetoric regarding regime change in Tehran, analysts are scrutinizing the profound domino effect the fall of Ayatollah Ali Khamenei would have on the Russian Federation and Vladimir Putin's global strategy. A recent analysis delves into the deep strategic interdependence between Russia and Iran, suggesting that the fate of President Vladimir Putin's foreign policy is inextricably linked to the survival of Iran's supreme leader, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. The report characterizes Khamenei not merely as a political figurehead, but as the central pillar of the Iranian system, controlling the military, the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, IRGC, and the judiciary. Consequently, his potential removal is viewed not just as a transition of power, but as a systemic collapse that would shatter Iran's current power structure. For Moscow, the implications of such a collapse would be severe. The partnership between the two nations extends far beyond the supply of drones and weaponry used in the Ukraine conflict. Iran acts as a crucial geopolitical partner in circumventing Western sanctions and maintaining a balance of power in the Middle East. The report argues that without Tehran as a reliable ally, Russia would face deep isolation, caught between a hostile NATO alliance and uncertain relations with other Eastern powers. This strategic vulnerability explains Russia's consistent diplomatic shielding of Iran, as preserving the Khamenei administration is viewed in Moscow as a necessary measure to protect its own strategic umbrella against Western hegemony.